In this video, you will learn how to do mail merge using information stored in an Excel. So in this Excel, I have the salutation, last name, first name, address 1, address 2, city, state, and discount information. So the letter which we are going to use is this. So considering your long-term association with our company as a customer, we are happy to offer you a discount of XX% for the next 5 transactions, so and so. Regards, Patrick D'Souza, Customer Service Manager. So we have to insert the name, address, and the salutation or the greeting line to this letter and do a mail merge. So all the operations will be done from MS Word, and it will use this information to do the mail merge. Let us go to the Word document. So go to the menu, mailings. So you can see a mailings menu. Click on mailings. So here you see a select recipients. So click on select recipient, type a new list, use an existing list, check from Outlook contacts. So we'll use an existing list. We will select the Excel which we have created for that. So use an existing list, the mailing list.xlsx, which I showed you earlier. So open it. So it is asking which sheet. So names and addresses. I'll click OK. So I have now imported all the information which we had in that Excel which I selected into this Word document. So the first step we have to do before we add the address block and greetings line is to match the fields. So let us click on this match fields here. So courtesy title, salutation, it is rightly selected. First name, it is selected. Last name, so I'll correct it. First name, last name, I'll select last name. And address 1, it has selected correctly. Address 2, it has selected correctly. City and state, it has selected all the fields correctly. So I'll click on OK. So now I will click on this address block. I will add an address block here. So click on address block. So if you select this, you see how it changes. So if you select Josh, see it will select the first name. So if I say Josh Randall Jr., it print the full name along with address. So insert postal address. So I uncheck this, it will show only the name. So insert postal address, it will select all the address fields which we have imported from the Excel. So if you want to add salutation, so Miss Parvati Menon, so I will use this one, full name only, first name and last name. So if you want to see how other addresses are printed, so you click on this button, see Thomas Dominic, Philip Dowell. So how it changes, information here changes for all the records. So I'll click OK. So address block is printed. Now I will add a greeting line. So click on this greeting line. So here we can select dear, to, and none. We can exclude this. So I'll say dear, so Mr. Randall, so dear Mrs. Narayanan. So if I go to the first record, so dear Miss Menon, so I want to print full name. So dear Miss Parvati Menon, and then a comma or a colon or none. So I will select comma. So after that there is a comma. So if you want to see how, say dear Mr. Thomas Dominic, so all the names you can see how it looks. You can preview that. So I'll click on OK. So greeting line is added. So now we can insert this address block and greeting line separately using this insert merge field, where anywhere in this document we can insert any field which we have imported from that Excel. So I will show you. So here we are saying we are happy to offer you a discount of XXX%. So each person we are offering a different percentage based on the number of years of association. So when we do the mail merge, it has to insert the corresponding discount mentioned against each name. So I will select this. I am saying insert merge field, that is discount. So I'll say discount, and let us preview this. So there is a preview results. So I'll click on preview results. So it will show the first name and the salutation and the greetings line and the percentage. So if you go over this list, see there is an issue with this discount. So it is, instead of printing the percentage, it is printing the decimal value. So even though we are showing percentage here, so there is a solution for that. So you click on this, so it will stop the preview. So I will delete this. So what I'm going to do is, in this I am going to add a discount to be printed. So I'll use a formula here, text value, then comma, hash 0% and 22%. Then I will double click, it will copy the formula. So I'll add the border. So this is the text version of this. So we'll print this instead of the other one. So we'll go back to the Word document. We'll say use an existing list. We'll select the Excel once again. Okay. So now I click here and I'll use this insert merge field. So the new field appeared here when we imported it again. So discount to be printed. So I added discount to be printed column, then re-imported the information from the Excel to this Word document. So I'm selecting this discount to be printed. Now let us do a preview by clicking on this. So it's browse through the records and see how it appears. Now the percentage is coming as per the required format, because we are doing the text version of the number value showing percentage. So Shaheen Abdullah is getting 21%, Arun Kumar is getting 22%, Disha Sheth is getting 15%. So there is a highlight because of this highlight merge field. So if you click this, so you say highlight fields, it will highlight, it will remove, it will remove. So all the records are there. So now let us do the final mail merge. So in the finish block, click on the drop down. So print documents. I'm going to print it. So I can print all current record or from record to record. So I am going to print all records. So Microsoft print to PDF. I am not going to print. I will convert it into PDF. So I will click OK. So mail merge document.pdf, save, replace it. So now it is printing. So now I will go here. So mail merge document. So I'll zoom it. So it has printed Parvati Menon. So Greenfields near Roxy Cables, Bangalore, Kannada, near dear Miss Parvati Menon. Considering a long-term association with the company, we are happy to offer you a discount 22% for next 5 transactions. So then page down. Thomas Dominic, he is getting 12%. Philip Dowell is getting 16%. Shaheen Abdullah is 21%. Arun Kumar 22%. Disha Sheth 15%. Saraswati Narayan 24%. Anup Saxena 12%. So this is how you will do a mail merge. So I'll close this PDF, go to the Word document. So that's it.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.